Alright guys, let me quickly show you a tutorial on how to do this that I got. Alright, so I'm going to delete a lot of things. I won't be designing everything though. I'll just be doing some basic things for you guys to be able to get your design as well. Alright, so you want to start with your shape. Alright, so I'm going to have my shape here. Okay, so then you turn it like this. You can check the rotation rate. I'm going to give it 12. I'm going to give it 12 and then give it color. Enable, give it this color. Okay, so I'm going to give it this color. Alright, then I'm going to click on text and then write my text 911. Alright, so I'm going to change my font text, my text font. I'm going to change it to super tools. Alright, then enlarge. Now what you want to do is you want to duplicate this. Alright, I want to copy this and then hide it. So I'm going to hide and lock it while I work on this one for a start. Do you understand? So what I want to do first is to first of all cut. So I'm going to click on the plus sign, click on shapes, then bring out a shape. So now this shape, make sure it covers your 911. Now from somewhere around this point, can you get that? Look at your screen and look at my tabs. So I'm going to place the shape over the text like this, then click OK. Do you understand? So I'm going to go to my layer to click on layers and then click on select. So I'll select this one and this one and merge them together, and then I'm going to click on OK. Do you understand? So after doing that, what you want to do next is to erase color. Automatically it will remove all the white colors, so click on enable. Can you see? So that is it. Now after doing this, for the sake of what we want to do, I'm going to erase all the edges. Alright, then I'm going to place it in the middle. So you go to this guy here, click on relative position and centralize, then copy and do the same thing. Then go to your layer, click on the first and second one, merge it together. Now it has already shrink the size. Alright, so the next thing you want to do is to move to your perspective tool. I'm going to click on perspective and click on enable. So now I can start my thing. Can you see? So I can start my thing. You have to make sure it is working well. You understand? You don't just come and start placing it anyhow. Can you see? So I'm going to go to my layers and lock this one, then unlock the other one. Alright, I'm going to unlock it. Now you do the same thing, you cut it, you do the same thing for this one, but this time around you are cutting away the down part. Do you understand? So let me hide this one so you can see. Let me hide this one so you can see what I'm trying to see. Click on your plus sign, bring in a shape, and then cut the down parts. You know, the other time we cut the part above, now we are cutting the parts below. So click on a layer, click on select tool, and then this is it. Then you select this and this, merge them together, and then click on erase color. Then what do I say you do next? Click on your eraser tool and then erase the edges. So now next thing is to centralize. Copy again, copy and centralize using relative position. Now I want to merge the two to make it smaller, and then I've done that. So now I can open my layer panel and open this guy. So now if you place it like this, you see that it's giving you a 911 already, but it's not set. So now what do I want to do? I'm going to go to my perspective tool again, enable. You have to be very careful when working with perspective tool. So now I'll start placing. First of all, make sure the edge here is touching the edge here. It's not going to be easy. Then you try to do the same thing for this one. Now what I want to do now is to make sure this one is sleeping. Okay. Okay. So now I can work with the one above. Ooh. So you just keep adjusting it till you get what you want. Alright. Keep adjusting till you get what you want. Okay. Oh. You can see how this consumes time. Just have to be careful, very careful. Almost. Mm. Okay, so you just have to be patient, very patient. So it's right now. I've gotten it right. Do you understand? So what I want to do now is to just change the color. So I'm going to click on this guy, click on enable and give it a color. I'm going to give it this color, but a lighter version of it. Anyway, I hope you get the gist. So something like this is what you're doing, and then to draw, I'm just going to do something like this and then click on fill inside. I'm going to have something like this. I don't like this drawing. sorry. So I'm going to have something like this and then place it here. Then copy 3D. Then can I have this here? I said I'm not designing and I'm almost done. Anyways, you get the gist though. Alright. So I'm gonna have this here. Click on sticker. Sticker. So you use this for your shadow. If you want to get this, you just go to click on the plus sign, then click on sticker. So what I want to do now is to merge everything together, so I don't have my page getting too busy. Can you see that? Then click on the plus sign from gallery, and then I want to have something like this. So I'm gonna click on this guy, crop it, and okay, let me just do something else. Have something like this, erase color, and here we go. Then click on plus sign from gallery. Erase this guy. Okay. Eraser. So what I want to do now is to use this and then send it to the back. Then I think I'm gonna move it upward a bit. Alright. Then click on color filters, reduce the saturation to nothing, the brightness, no, don't tamper with the brightness, contrast, then opacity, reduce opacity, set opacity to about 8. Okay, so I want to do something else. I'm gonna have this here. Alright. Oh, I'm gonna have this here. Okay. Then random test. Just because something for me. I'm want to have this as color black. Then that's it, guys. So I I Alright, that's it, guys.